I scored 419 marks in this Kcpe. I'm happy because all this is in the grace of God. I would like to become a pilot, and my dream school is Murang'a.
Kwa Kcpe nilipata 414 marks. I thank God for that, since sikuwa na expect, lakini it's God doing and I cannot do anything about it. Kwa high school ningependa kwenda Murang'a, alafu nikimaliza niende university nifanye mechanical engineering.
Njoki 405, and I thank God for the 5 years brought me. It has been a hard journey, to be honest, and I thank my teachers, my parents, and God. Dream school is Kenya High, and in future I want to become a pediatrician.
We've done well. We have a mini score of 324, and I thank God we had boys and girls that did very well. Our first boy scored 419, and the one that followed also had 412. We thank God that we're able to make 6 candidates scored over 400 marks. We thank God for that.
Na tukitigana na icio cikuma kuria kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, jitikiria turike